Hiya, welcome to this video on stem and leaf diagrams. Okay, so we're going to look at both drawing and interpreting them today. So here we've got a stem and leaf. Okay, this section here is my stem. Okay, it comprises my tens, my hundreds, my thousands. And this one is my leaf, and that is the single units. Now we always have a key that goes with the stem and leaf diagram that tells us how to read it. So in this, it means that 5 line 6 means 56. So this number just here is 56. Okay? You always have to have a key, otherwise you can't read one of these. It says work out the range of the pulse rates. So the range is the highest to subtract the lowest. So the highest value in this is 97, just there. And the lowest value in this is 56. Now the beauty of a stem and leaf is that they're already ordered. So you can automatically, very quickly find the highest and the lowest. So 97 take 56 tells me that the range of the data is 41. Now the median's in the middle. Okay, I want the central piece of data. Now again, they're already in order. So what I can do is I can cross these off until I get to the central one. Okay, so I can cross one from there, one from there. So when I'm doing this, if I'm starting at the top, I go from left to right. At the bottom, I count right to left, so I meet in the middle. Okay? Okay, make sure you've crossed off evenly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can see here that the number 4 is left. So my answer is 74, not just 4, please. Okay, and that's as easy as it is to interpret a diagram. I'll do one more of those and then I'll show you how to draw them. Okay, so again we want the range of the data and we've got our key. So my highest value is 64 and my lowest value is 25, which is going to give me 39. The median, again, you're going to cross off until you hit the middle. Don't forget, left to right, right to left. Okay, again, double check you've got the same on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see again that 9 is left blank, so 49 is my answer. If you get 2 the same, then obviously that's your median. If you get, for example, 47 and 48 as your central numbers, if you cross off evenly, then obviously you want to go halfway between those two numbers. So you go for 47 and a half. So just be careful with that. Alright, if it's an odd number of bits of data, it's really straightforward. Okay, it's when it's evenly placed. Okay, let's have a look at drawing these then. Okay, so here we've got an example of drawing them. So you'll see I've got my data set at the top here, and we're talking about the number of words in each of the first 25 sentences of a book. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is look through here and see what my stems. I can see I've got single digits, so I'm going to want a 0. I've got 10s, I've got 20s, and I've got 30s, and I've got 40s. I'm just going to extend that so it's a little bit bigger for you. Okay, so you can see you've got units, 10s, 20s, there's 30s, and there's 40s. If one of these is missing, i.e. if there had been no 20s, I still have to put it in here. Okay, because I need to acknowledge the fact there are no 20s. Okay, so this has to be sequential. Now I'm going to go through and put my numbers in. Now, I find the easiest way to do this is to do an unordered stem and leaf and then do an ordered one. Okay, what I mean by that is we're going to put them in not in order and then reorder them. It saves you the problem of missing one out. It also saves you a little bit of time. Okay, it may seem like drawing 2 takes longer, but it doesn't. Okay, so all we're going to do, so the key for this is going to be 2 stroke 4 means 24. So for 24, I'm just going to put a 4 on that line, and I'm going to cross it out. The 11, I'm going to cross it out. The reason I'm crossing them out is because it means I know I've got up to if I get distracted. Someone comes in and asks me something, I can very, very quickly find my place. Okay. And you'll see this is taking me absolutely no time at all to put these in because I'm doing it unordered to start with. Okay. Couple more to go. Obviously if you've got straight lines it doesn't. No, that one goes there. Apologies, always be careful. 25 goes in there. 15 and 6. Okay. And the only thing you should do now is check. So it says you've got 25 bits of data, so check there's 25 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. There are indeed 25 bits of data. Now I'm going to order this. So I'm basically going to redraw this. And I'm very quickly going to put these in order. So on this first line, I can see it's going to go 1, 2, 4, 6, 6. For the second line, okay, I've got a 1, got 2 3s. You'll see I'm keeping the numbers lined up. Okay, it makes, again, life a lot easier. I've got 3 5s. I've got 1 8 and 1 9. So 2 9s. Okay. Shift that across for you. For 2s, I've got 2 2s. Okay. I've got a 4. I've got 2 5s. I've got 2 8s. And I've got a 9. This one easy, 0, 3 and 6. And you can see that's now ordered. Yes, you're drawing 2 diagrams, but it's so much easier. Okay. So what I want you to do is I want you to stop the video, have a go with this data set below here, and then unpause the video and I'll show you what the answer is. Okay, so you should have something that looks like this. Then you'll see I've got my unordered one here, I've got my ordered one over this side, and I've written out my key so that the person reading it knows how to read it. So just check yours, does it match? Good, and that is literally all there is to it. Reading a diagram and drawing a diagram. Okay, good luck.